The opioid epidemic has reached every corner of Ohio, and people are dying. But overdosing is not the only devastating result of drug abuse. Even those who fight back against their addiction and break free from it still have an uphill battle long after they've committed to recovery. Tonight, a son struggled to cope with the aftermath of his drug use and a mother's desperate plea for help.
I'm writing on behalf of my son, Derek. I need a miracle. Derek is in recovery, but was a heroin crack addict for many years. He's been clean for 3 years, but his past haunts him.
These are the words of a desperate mother. Debbie Mooney swallowed her pride and poured her heart out in a letter asking for someone to please help her son.
I know a lot of parents deal with drug addiction, and your biggest fear is overdose, but there's so much more after the fact.
Debbie watched her son Derek battle the demons of addiction for 15 years. She says with prayer and rehab, he finally got clean. Even began a promising career as a chef. But neither mother nor son expected the aftermath of his drug addiction to be just as painful.
I just really fear that he will go into a deep depression because he wants his life back, and this haunts him every day.
This is what haunts Derek, a mouth full of infection, missing teeth, and intolerable pain. It's one dirty truth about surviving drug addiction.
My self-esteem has been super low. I don't go out. I don't have friends.
Shame and embarrassment forced Derek to hide. Debbie tells me she can't remember the last time she saw her son smile. On the other side of town in Pickerington, that letter from a heartbroken mother caught the attention of cosmetic dentist Dr. Phillip Katz.
So we see this quite a bit. Our most common patients are that we see that require dental implants or the teeth in a day protocol are former drug addicts because they don't realize how bad the drugs actually destroy their mouth.
Dr. Katz agreed to meet with Derek for an evaluation to determine if he's a good candidate for implants. If he is, this could be a life-changing event.
Socially, they have more self-confidence because they're not having to hold in their loose denture anymore, or they're not having to smile with all those broken, rotted out teeth.
If given the green light for dental implants, Derek will work with the team at State-of-the-Art Smiles to design his new teeth. After reviewing Derek's case, Dr. Katz decides to move forward with the procedure.
I am so happy.
It's the miracle Debbie prayed for. Someone was going to help her son. On the day of Derek's surgery, Dr. Katz and his team spend nearly 6 hours extracting teeth and cleaning out the infection before placing the new implants.
He did so great. Oh, the implants went in perfect.
Still a little drowsy after surgery, Derek is wheeled out to his mother.
Smile real big.
Both are about to see his new teeth for the first time, a moment they've been waiting for.
They look great.
Awesome.
They look great.
For years. The moment is overwhelming. The emotion is raw. The gratitude is endless.
How long has it been since you've seen a smile out of him?
Years.
Years. It's been years.
Yeah.
It's been years.
This is just the start of Derek's new beginning.
Oh, yeah. They're amazing.
It's been a few weeks since Derek's surgery, and he's feeling great. His self-esteem is coming back. He's starting to enjoy life again.
To know that you can smile and know that you can talk and laugh and, you know, people aren't looking at you or staring.
Now that Derek has returned to work, he says his co-workers can tell he's happier and more confident. He even has his sights on a promotion, among other things.
You know, eventually, you know, maybe like to meet somebody or, you know, maybe get married at some point, but I mean, just to be able to go into management and have that confidence in your step every day that, you know, you're not less than everybody else around you.
For now, Derek's just thankful someone cared enough to give him his smile back.
And Derek says now he plans to pay it forward. He wants to speak with young people and share his story in hopes of saving them from going down the same dark path that he went through. So Dr. Katz really made a difference in his life.